441 to main. Send the doctor up. Helicopter 441 to main. Helicopter 441 to main, responding to the scene. Helicopter 441 to main at the scene. Helicopter 441 to main. Notify County Hospital. Get the accident victim on the way. Helicopter 441 to main at County Hospital.
Is that the only place you hurt with your head?
This has been 14 minutes in the day of Chicago's Helicopter 441. Critically injured, 2 drivers lay near death from a collision during the morning rush hour. The accident scene, located on an inaccessible stretch of expressway, caused a 4-mile backup. Firemen, recognizing the hopeless snarl of traffic, called for assistance from the Fire Department Airlift Division, and Helicopter 441 wrote another page in the book on helicopters. A new page in the chapter called Big City Rescue. Long recognized as an effective air ambulance in rough mountain and jungle terrain, the helicopter more recently is being used to rescue injured motorists in congested metropolitan areas. Areas inaccessible to regular ground ambulances because of heavy traffic situations. Chicago's fire department pioneered the art of expressway rescue when they persuaded the city's major hospitals to install heliports. In And since that day, the Chicago heliports have given many a dying man the few more minutes of medical care that saved his life, often delivering a victim to a doctor in 25% of the time it would take a conventional ambulance. Chicago firemen have added many innovations to the growing book of helicopter rescues, including the movement of medical supplies, food, and actual evacuations during the Chicago snowstorm of 1967. Many, too, have cheered the sight of Helicopter 441 as it appeared from out of nowhere to pluck a hapless capsized sailor from the waters of sprawling Lake Michigan, or lifted a trapped man from the roof of a burning building. Taking its place beside the hook and ladder, the snorkel unit, and the ambulance, the helicopter has proven to be an effective piece of rescue equipment in the arsenal of the Chicago Fire Department.